All right, Wolfman from our Wolf and Rooster chapter in New Zealand is smoking up some fish pies, and this is how you do it. Take some ordinary white sliced bread, place it in an oiled muffin pan, put it in the grill for just a minute to help the bread set up. Whoa. Now, here's the magic. Trevally. This is a very common New Zealand species. These are massive fish. They're awesome. And we're going to use them in the fish pies today. So you're seasoning the trevally with some light brown sugar, SPG, lemon or lime juice, and place on the aluminum foil for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, this is easy to do already. But just wait. We're talking about some fish pies here. All right. Perfect. Now, we've got a little wood chip on there to add some smoke, because this is smoked fish pies. Add your favorite beverage to keep them moist. And this does not take long, like I said, about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's make some roux. You know how to make roux, right? Butter and flour, essentially, right? It's a thickener. So to the melted butter, we'll add some flour. Of course, you know how to do that, right? And get it nice and thick. Oh, man. I'll tell you what. Now, what are we going to do with the roux? Well, you got to have a roux for your fish pie, right? So, we got the flour and the butter melted. Add a little bit of milk to cream it. To make it look real pretty, we'll add some parsley in there. Yeah, it's optional, of course. And of course, the fish is done. Didn't take long. Now, take a little bit of that roux, add it to each one of the cups, just like that. Whoa. This is going to be a pie, Martha. Whoa. Now, take chunks of your trevally, and it goes without saying, if you cannot source fresh trevally, well, use your favorite fillet fish, right? Maybe salmon, codfish, trout, whatever. Now, as you can see, we're topping it off with some boiled eggs. Oh, you gotta have the eggs for the fish pies, right? Add some more roux, and now top it off with cheese. Your favorite cheese, right? Oh, man. How about some green onions? You set these up the way you want. Put them back on the grill to melt. Don't take long. And in a miracle of time, Wolfman smoked fish pies are done. Take a look at that. To get the recipe, head on over to our website. Oh, this is the part where Wolfman's eating in front of you, and he's not apologizing. So, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com. Woo!